What's up guys, my name's Sam, you're watching my car channel. Right, so we didn't get off to the greatest start in last week's video, so today continue where we left off. I'm going to start carry on stripping the front down, try and get as much of these electrics out as possible. I know they run up through the wing, so today first things first, get the wings off the car and let's try and get, well, my aim is to have everything done. I'm starting a bit earlier today. I mean, I could spend a couple of days for one video, but the way I wanted it is I do a whole day's work. I'm able to get a 12-15 minute video out of it, so you can really follow along with everything that I'm doing, and any mistake I make along the way, anything I could be doing better, then I can get that advice from you guys and everything. I mean, I had a comment that I could have got the bumper that is above my head off a hell of a lot easier than the way I was doing it, and I really appreciate comments like that, so thank you Leon for pointing that out to me. It's going to make it a lot easier when I put it back on. But yeah, if there's anything else that anyone can see that I'm doing that I can do better, I can do easier for when I'm putting it back on, or in the future, if you can see, right, he's got to do this next, or he's going to be doing this next, or at some point in the future, if you know of a better way of doing it, or an easier way, or just have any ideas, then they're greatly appreciated. And yeah, that's it really. So let's get on with the video. got the first bits of rust. Great. I was expecting it, but so I'm not going to be using the loom from this vehicle. I'll either be making my own loom or using one from the donor car. So I'm going to go ahead, just cut it in half, just so I can get it out of the way. Favourite thing to find. Goes all under the hole in this plate. I'm sure you can see in that last bit. I managed to break the windscreen a bit more and it was already broken. I think I've misplaced my cheese wire. You have to cut round it. So a bit stuck on getting that windscreen out. I'll figure it out. So I think that's going to be it for today. I've ordered a new windscreen removal thing because I cannot find mine. I haven't used it since before I moved into this house, so that probably explains it. But yeah, that won't turn up till Monday because of obviously the lockdown. So I think I'll start again tomorrow. I'll get the car up in the air and I'll start getting things off. I wanted to get the windscreen out to make it a bit easier working inside to outside, and also the windscreen was broken anyway in the first place, so the windscreen needed replacing, so I'm not bothered about it breaking at all. It's just a bit annoying, but yeah, so I think that's as much as I can do today. If I've not got enough, or I don't feel like I've done enough when I'm going to put this together, then this is going to be the middle of the video, and day 2 will be the last part. But like I said, I want to space this out as much as possible and get as much footage as possible, not just to drag it out, but so I can keep a schedule, and by the time I'm at the point where I need another car to strip down to put the parts on, I've caught up with myself. I don't want to be doing this and then go completely dead for a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever. That would suck, because, well, I mean, there's not many of you watching at the moment, but hopefully in the next couple of weeks things will get further and more people will be able to see this and offer their advice. But I mean, let's see where it goes. Let's see how far I get. Let's see how many things come up. I mean, I found a lot of rust today. I've broken the windscreen even more. I was really hoping to get that out and yeah, get more and more stuff off. I mean, I've got all the wire, I've got most of the wiring out now. I mean, I got a fair amount done, so I mean, enough for a couple of hours. I'm going to get the footage tomorrow to be uploaded the week after this one, and hopefully we make quite a bit of progress. Yeah, let's see where this lockdown takes us. Let's see where this build takes me. Also, I cut my finger. Bad times. Anyway, peace. See you next week.